Busch Gardens on Brandon's birthday. They're playing monster trucks out here. They're driving monster trucks. Look at this. How cool is that? Somebody's stuck over there. You got to back up. There you go. Back up. Too much fun we having on a Thursday, I believe. Well, it's Brandon's birthday. I put him out of school. Absolutely beautiful day. Gotta make it memorable. 9 years old. Only at Busch Gardens can you drive monster trucks like this. You gotta ram each other. You gotta try to ram each other. Come on, run that other monster truck over. Ram him, Zach. Get him. Whoa! Alright, on to the next video. Hope everybody's having as much fun as on a Thursday. Memorable video, Brandon's 9th birthday. Whoa!